world is about to forget that Peter Parker is Spider-Man.
Wait, everyone? Can't some people still know?
That's not how the spell works.
So MJ's gonna forget about everything we've ever been through?
Stop tampering with the spell.
Oh my God, Ned, he's my best friend. Oh, my Aunt May should really know.
Stop talking! They all die fighting Spider-Man.
You're flying out into the darkness to fight ghosts.
What do you mean?
They all die fighting Spider-Man. It's their fate.
My fault. I can't save everyone. What was your name again?
Dr. Otto Octavius.
Wait, no, seriously, what's your actual name?
What are you calling me, sir?
Okay, Steven.
That feels weird, but I'll allow it.
When Mysterio revealed my identity,
Hello, Peter.
So, Peter, to what do I owe the pleasure?
I'm sorry to bother you, sir.
Please, we saved half the universe together. I think we're beyond. I'm sorry, kid.
Yeah, me too.
Don't.
Look, there has to be another way!
There isn't. They're a danger to our universe.
You're not gonna take this away from me. You're not Peter Parker.
I'm sorry.
We tampered with the stability of space-time. Multiverse is a concept about which we know frighteningly little. The problem is you trying to live two different lives. The longer you do it, the more dangerous it becomes. There are others out there. We need to send them back. So,
What's happening?
They're starting to come through, and I can't stop them. That's right, folks. Spider-Man is, in fact, Peter Parker.
But how do you tell someone that you're Spider-Man? Now everybody knows. But this isn't about me. This is hurting a lot of people. Ever since I got bit by that spider, I've only had 1 week where my life has felt normal. That was when you found out.
Peter, you're struggling to have everything you want while the world tries to make you choose.
So much.
that spell where you wanted everyone to forget that Peter Parker's Spider-Man. The entire world is about to forget that Peter Parker is Spider-Man.
Wait, everyone? Can't some people still know?
That's not how the spell